Namaste children, I am Smita, your English teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Class 7 Standard, Subject English.
In the previous class, we had learnt about the life of Bachendri Pal, isn't it? The first woman who reached the peak of Mount Everest. So let us continue the lesson. Her mentor, Brigadier Gyan Singh, the director of the National Adventure Foundation, came to Uttarakashi in February 1983 to run an adventure course for teachers at the NIM. He selected 7 local educated women, including Bachendri, for scholarship. Bhagirath's Seven Sisters Adventure Club was set up by him after he came to know through Bachendri Pal that the poor could use their mountaineering skill to make a living. This was a unique organization of girls and women to help other girls to find adventure. This scheme would take care of the monetary worries of trained girls and women. Bachendri, whose family was under economic pressure, became an instructor here and reduced their financial burden. Now, mentor is a person you rely on to give you advice. So, Bachendri Pal's mentor, Brigadier Gyan Singh, who was the director of the National Adventure Foundation, NAF, he came to Uttarakashi in the year 1983 in the month of February to give an adventure course for teachers at Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. So what did he do, children? He selected 7 local educated women, including Bachendri Pal, for scholarship. Through mountaineering skill, one could make a living or earn their livelihood. And Brigadier Gyan Singh comes to know about this through Bachendri Pal. So he establishes Bhagirathi Seven Sisters Adventure Club. So this scheme worked in such a way that it took care of the financial issues or problems of the girls and women who were trained. And this organization consisted of girls and women who helped other girls to find adventure. The Bachendri Pal and her family had faced financial issues, so she became an instructor. Instructor is a person who teaches something. So she became an instructor here so that her money-related problems could be solved. Coming to the next paragraph. Bachendri was selected for the Indian Everest expedition in 1984. This was the first mixed expedition and its prime aim was to provide Indian women the opportunity to face the challenge of climbing Mount Everest. Till then, 4 women in the world had scaled the peak. The team comprised 7 women and 11 men, and this was Bachendri's first real expedition. Bachendri Pal was selected for Indian Everest expedition in 1984. Now, children, the main purpose of this journey was to give the opportunity for Indian women to face the challenges or to know the problems they would face while climbing Mount Everest. Now, 4 women in the world had climbed up the highest point. Now, along with Bachendri, there were 7 women and 11 men who were to go for expedition or journey to Everest. They faced many setbacks, including an avalanche and injuries. A sudden landslide injured the members of her team. However, Bachendri Pal continued her climb to reach the peak on May 23, 1984. Bachendri conquered the summit of Sagarmatha. Sagarmatha is a Nepali name for the highest peak in the world. At 1:07 p.m. It was a difficult climb of over 29,028 feet, 8,848 meters. Her dream had come true. At this moment of joy, Bachendri Pal writes, "My thoughts went to my father and mother who taught us the value of struggle and the value of efforts." Now, during their journey, they had to face many problems, including avalanche. Avalanche refers to a mass of snow, ice and rocks falling rapidly down a mountain side. Okay, so it also injures the body, isn't it? And this avalanche, it caused injuries to the body of these people. So there was also sudden landslide. Landslide refers to movement of mass of rock or earth down a slope, which injured or hurt the members of her team. But Bachendri Pal did not stop her journey. She continued her journey and reached the top or peak on May 23, 1984. Now, Bachendri reached the highest peak. It is called as summit Summit means highest point. She reached the highest point of Sagarmatha, so it is a Nepali name for the highest peak in the world, at 1:07 p.m. She climbed 8,848 meters height. She achieved her dream. Now, according to Bachendri Pal, at that time she remembered her parents who taught her the importance of struggle and hard work. Bachendri's mountaineering excellence has been honored by the Government of India with the country's highest sports award, the Arjuna Award, the highly coveted Padma Shri, as well as the National Adventure Award. Among the other major awards, Bachendri was awarded the Yash Bharati Award by the Government of Uttar Pradesh, Gold Medal by the Indian Mountaineering Foundation, as well as an award from the Department of Education, Uttar Pradesh State, and the Lifetime Achievement Award by Kolkata Sports Journalists Association. Now, Bachendri Pal, she received many awards. The Government of India has recognized her achievement by giving her the highest sports award called Arjuna Award. She also got Padma Shri Award as well as National Adventure Award. Apart from this, she also has other awards to her credit, like Yash Bharati Award by Government of Uttar Pradesh, Gold Medal by Indian Mountaineering Foundation, as well as award from Department of Education, Uttar Pradesh State, and Lifetime Achievement Award by Kolkata Sports Journalist Association. Bachendri Pal has put together all her experiences of mountaineering in her autobiography, Everest: My Journey to the Top. She is presently employed as Deputy Divisional Manager, Adventure Programs, Tata Steel Adventure Foundation. Her life shows how hard work and the will to succeed can raise one to greater heights. Now she has written an autobiography. Autobiography is the account of the person's life written by that person, isn't it? So she has written autobiography called Everest: My Journey to the Top, wherein she has explained about her experiences of climbing Mount Everest. At present, she is the Deputy Divisional Manager of Adventure Programs, Tata Steel Adventure Foundation. So her life is an example of how hard work and determination can make one reach the greatest height or goal. So children, I hope you have understood this lesson, and this lesson teaches us to keep an aim in life and work hard to reach it. It teaches us to strive continuously and persistently to reach our goal. So let us all dream high and strive hard to achieve it. Okay, now coming to the homework part. You should write 5 questions you would like to ask Bachendri Pal if you would meet her. So write down 5 questions you would like to ask Bachendri Pal if you would meet her and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you, children.